Hello there, my name is Sam with LiftedTrucks.com and welcome to episode number 6 of our build series. In this series, each episode highlights the build of a new vehicle. We'll take you into the shop to show you the build process and talk parts, as well as showcase the vehicle with some epic cinematics when the vehicle build is complete. Today's episode is what we industry folks call a real treat. All right, well, that's what I'm calling it because the truck we are featuring today is near and dear to my heart for a couple of reasons. Now, you already know from the title of this video what truck I'm talking about, but what you probably didn't know is that I happen to be a Tundra owner myself, and what some would call a bit of a fanboy. I've been working on my Tundra Overland build for the last couple of years. So when this brand new 2022 totally redesigned Toyota Tundra showed up in the shop, I selfishly volunteered as tribute to go drive and film this beautiful new truck. So without further ado, let's take a look. Today we will be working on a 2022 Toyota Tundra SR5 Crew Cab. And as I mentioned, this truck has been totally redesigned from the ground up. We're talking new body styling, new interior, and new engine options. The SR5 is Toyota's base model, so you won't be seeing all the fancy schmancy interior features on this truck, but even so, the interior is clean and comfortable and a welcome change to Toyota's pretty outdated previous options. Let's jump into the shop and talk about today's build on the new Tundra. Today's tech is Daniel, a seasoned technician over at the lift shop who knows just about all there is to know about lifting big trucks. So when I asked him what's on the docket for today's build, I was a little bit surprised when he said the words rough country. Now hold on, hear me out. For whatever reason, rough country might not be the first brand that you think of when it comes to lifting your trucks. But if you don't work day in and day out in the industry, you might not be aware of some of the changes they've made over the last few years. I have firsthand information from not only the technicians in the shop, but also the managers at the shop as well, that Rough Country not only makes high quality parts, but has some of the best in customer service and lifetime warranties in the business. They've stepped up their game big time and have become a viable option for modifying your vehicles. So today's 2022 Tundra is getting a Rough Country 6-inch lift, brand new wheels and 37-inch tires to top it all off. Rough Country is currently the only company manufacturing a 6-inch lift for the new Tundras. This is a solid kit with a fairly hefty install. This lift is essentially dropping all of the OEM parts to maintain factory track width and alignment specs, which means your suspension is not preloaded, which in turn means you get the same amount of travel and the same smooth ride that you would get out of driving a brand new Tundra right off the lot. This kit also boasts unmatched ground clearance due to the high clearance crossmember design and is made from 100% precision laser cut materials. And as I mentioned, comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, because we will be stuffing the wheel wells with 37-inch tires, there is a small amount of trimming required to avoid any rubbing. This is what's called a body mount chop. It's a straightforward process where a portion of the frame in the front wheel wells is removed and then welded back together. In a sense, it's kind of like a surgery on your truck, a very common surgery in the off-road world, and it should be performed by highly trained professionals like the technicians in the lift shop. This install took an entire day to complete. I was itching to get the new build out and give it a taste of the dirt. So when I got the call that the truck was complete, I rushed to the shop to pick it up and took it out for a little spin. Let's take a look at the footage. What did you guys think? The truck looks amazing, doesn't it? I really enjoyed my time with this truck, and as a Tundra owner myself, had a lot of fun getting to know the new features and design elements of the Tundra. The lift, wheels, and tire setup is a perfect fit for someone who needs a truck in their day-to-day, but also likes to get out from time to time and enjoy riding off the beaten path. It's not built to be a rock crawler or a hardcore off-road machine, but holds its own very well on and off the highway. The new twin-turbo V6 engine has a noticeable difference in torque and power. Driving up into the mountains was a breeze as the truck just picked up and went as soon as I stepped on the gas. The interior is comfortable and modern, and you get a lot, even in this base model SR5. And no joke, I had people stopping me to ask questions and compliment the truck as I was out and about filming. Toyota has a name known for reliability, and I don't expect them to compromise that on this totally redesigned vehicle. I had a blast driving one for the very first time and may even consider making the switch to the new Tundra in the not so distant future. But I want to know what you guys think. Drop your comments or your questions below on this Tundra build. Would you add a brand new Tundra to your garage? Remember, this video is part of a build series. If you haven't already checked out the other videos, be sure to do so and let us know what kind of truck you'd like to see us do next. You can find this truck and many more like it at www.liftedtrucks.com. Go check the website, peruse our inventory, or feel free to stop by one of our Phoenix area locations at any time. Let us know in the comments if you have questions about the build. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified when episode 7 drops. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Over and out.